Whānui is actually really quite special. It's a collaborative project between the Auckland Arts Festival and the communities of Auckland. We specifically look for people who do work in beautiful and authentic ways in the community, and they bring such value to the Whānui program and such a privilege to the communities. Imagine the Land is a collaboration between Lynfield College students and Donovan Retirement Village by way of age concern.
So they're not just creating art, they're sharing songs, they're sharing their stories, and they're sharing who they are.
This is a little basket sort of a bowl that I have made.
This one here, you know, I never do anything like this before all my life.
Tūhono is a project which we did with Upper Harbour Primary School.
Part of the task that each artist had to do was to get their parents or grandparents involved, and basically we needed to hear their story, and the kids actually painted them.
I was given the job to do the Clark House, a pyramid from somebody's story named Hamada. Made me really proud, because I got to take part in this really cool thing.
You know, it's nice to think that art can create conversations and make people feel welcome in a community. You know, some of the parents, it's the first time that they'd actually come to the school and had a conversation. You know, it's not just to come and see what we do, but it's actually come get involved and say hi and, you know, connect together.
For the Luminati is a living conversation between contemporary and traditional. It explores the parallels of hip-hop lyricism and Samoan culture.
We're bringing in two separate worlds in this world, you know, the culture of hip-hop and that urban community, as well as the culture of Samoa.
Just remembering the origin of where it is, because it's so modernized now. There's not that many of us who know the exact origin of where it's from.
It's exciting because I'm part of something that's actually really great. The message is quite powerful.
The hip-hop side, for me anyway, it represents us as New Zealand born who have been detached from the culture, and we're just trying to find that bridge and that neutral ground where we can sit with our elders and have these discussions.
We needed a conversation piece, so to have a project for the Luminati that is the conversation piece where we can get together and actually compare. You know, there's no big difference between your world and our world, you know.
Home Fires is really about having a conversation around the housing development in Glen Innes specifically.
And we think that art can be a really authentic space for people to enter. I mean, boardrooms and offices kind of is really scary for many people, but painting and dance and photography has this kind of softer approach to a still hard conversation. So that's why we're here with the Auckland Arts Festival, to have that awesome conversation with families.
I think what stood out for me most today is how willing people are to accept what we think and accept our aroha.
There's things that have been really tough about it, but there's also things that are really positive, and I think until we really address the hurt that exists, it's difficult to create something amazing.
Show of hands, who have grandparents that have passed away?
So Children Talk About is another conversation, and we worked with Alice Canton, a wonderful theatre maker, to work alongside Ormiston Junior College students.
Being able to work with artists like this really opens up another channel that the students really understand that they are not just at the receiving end.
For me, the focus is not on a performance. And so all of the exercises and games that we do, it's performative, it's fun, but it's invisible. It's all disguised by this idea of play and game, so that they can be children, they can be loud, they can have a voice. And for me, that's much more important than putting on costumes and making them do a show.
Oh, I feel really nervous.
I feel quite excited because I've never seen the Auckland Arts Festival.
I am so excited because I love art, I love drama, Because actually you're born, you live, and you die. So dying is part of life. The best thing about being old is getting the whole attention from your family.
I think that arts projects in the community are important because they do allow the community to be able to express themselves in an environment that they normally wouldn't be able to. It is almost like we're allowing the community to perform in their own opera, to be able to say, you know, we value your opinion. It is a way of helping people to realise that their own stories and their own opinions matter. Our communities are only vibrant if we as a people are able to be vibrant, and what better way to be able to do that than through the arts.